guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to be starting a new series of videos with the purpose of sharing the work of the photographers that have made our industry what it is today. In the process of creating these videos, I have researched the photographers' work and also what made them the kind of artists they became. Now what I want is for you to get curious, to get excited about learning more about the photographer and about the photos that ultimately change the way we see and create fashion. So join me, because every Friday we're going to look at a different photographer, we're going to see their work and see why they are what they are today. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we see the work of a new photographer every Friday. So, see you Friday.